rough in here now. Only choice we got is to ride this thing out. Looks like it's going to be a direct hit. Shaking the whole truck up. These kids are sleeping good. We got about 10 more minutes of this storm. As long as nothing rips, we're gonna be alright. But I'll tell you what, it's packing a punch. It got a little rough there for a few minutes. Starting to calm down. I guess I'll show these kids this when they wake up in the morning. Bad thing is I had to stay up about an hour and a half more than I wanted to. We'll see how this storm went. See y'all tomorrow.